short courses give an in-depth tutorial on technical areas in all areas of optical communications. This year we added 6 new courses. A good example was a course on machine learning in optical communications. Machine learning is everywhere now. It's popping up in your cell phones, when you go on the web. What machine learning does is use a knowledge base, neural networks, decision trees, and what it does is it helps computer programs to actually learn. So computer programs use their knowledge base to expand their decision-making process, and as humans do, they get better over time as they accumulate this base. Another course that we're doing is Python programming for network automation. Now, this is related to machine learning because the most popular programming language for machine learning is Python. And you'll find it all over the place. And we decided to do this a little bit differently. This is a hands-on course. So if you're an attendee of this course, you get a terminal and you get some downloads and you get compilers and interpreters in Python, and the instructors will help you to write various programs to do network automation in Python. You'll walk away with your own code. And so this is a very exciting course. People love it. And it's so popular we had divided into multiple courses. And so we have 1,600 attendees to our short courses, over 60 courses. I encourage all of you to go look at our course list. I'm sure there's something there just for you.